Welcome to the gated, established community of Hawks Point. This spacious home features 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, perfect for a multi-generational home. The first floor has an open floor plan that connects the kitchen with the living room and dining room. This makes it the heart of the home and is perfectly set up for entertaining. This main floor offers a full bathroom and bedroom, making it a great option for an in-law space. There is also another room that is currently set up as a recording studio room with soundproof walls, perfect the musician in you. It can easily be converted to den/office for those that work from home. Traveling upstairs, you will find a large bonus room that creates another living space for everyone to relax. The large primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with double vanities, separate shower and a garden tub. 2 additional bedrooms and an additional bathroom completes this well-thought-out second floor. Traveling to the outdoors, you will enjoy a covered patio and a fully fenced-in yard. The gated community of Hawks Point has clubhouse with fitness center,